Good morning, students. In exercise 23C, we have already done till question number 8 and hope you have all understood it properly and done in your notebook. Now, we will start with question number 9. It is given the area of a square field is 1 hectare. Now, area of square field is given 1 hectare. So, first we have to convert it into meter square. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So, what is your area? Area of square field is now 10,000 meter square. So, area of square field is 10,000 meter square. Now, formula for area of square is side square equals to 10,000. I have already told you that when we have to take square to the right hand side, we have to take its square root, 10,000. So, square root of 10,000 will be 100. If there are 4 zeros, 2 zeros you will take it out and your square root will be 100 meter. Now you got the side. Now you have to find the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square field is 4 into side. It will be 4 into 100 meter. That is 400 meter. So this is your answer. So you have to learn that 1 hectares, how many meter square is there? 10,000. First, you will convert it. Then you will find the area of square field is given to you. Side square formula आपने लगाया. You find the root of this 10,000, that is 100 meter. And then you have to find the perimeter. Now come to question number 10. In question number 10, it is given, it cost rupees 5,400 to fence a square field. Cost, now cost is given to you. Cost of fencing a square field is equals to 5,400 rupees. पहले आप कॉस्ट फाइंड करते थे. नाउ कॉस्ट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू एंड रेट इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू. रेट ऑफ फेंसिंग अ स्क्वेयर फील्ड इज रुपीज 13.50 per meter. Now, I've already told you the formula for cost when rate is given in per meter. So, what is the formula of cost? That is rate into perimeter. जब per meter में दिया होता है cost का formula क्या होता है? Rate into perimeter. Now cost is also given to you, rate is also given to you. So you can find the perimeter from here. So first you have to find the perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to cost upon rate. Rate इधर आ जाएगा तो divide हो जाएगा. So cost is rupees 5,400 upon rupees 13.50. दो zero यहाँ से cut किए. This here you get it. Now you will do the cutting. So after doing the cutting, what you will get? 540 multiplied by 100 divided by 135. You will solve it yourself. The perimeter will be 400 meter. Now you got the perimeter. Perimeter of which field? Square field. So what you have to find? The length of the side of the field. So perimeter का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है स्क्वायर फील्ड का? 4 into side and that is given. We have already find it 400. So side will be equals to 400 upon 4. So side is equals to 100 meter. Now you got the side. First part आपने find कर लिया. Now you have to find the area and area also of a square field. So area of a square field is equals to side square. It means 100 into 100. That is 10,000 meters square. This is your answer. So after finding the perimeter, you got the side, and when you got the side, you have to find the area of a square field. Okay, now come to question number 11. In question number 11, it is given a rectangular plot of land is 50 meter long. So length of rectangular plot is given, that is 50 meter. The cost of leveling the plot, now cost is given of leveling the rectangular plot, that is rupees 20,000 meters, 20,000, एंड रेट ऑफ लेवलिंग, रेट आपको गिवन है ₹12.50 per meter square. Now in the previous question the rate is given in per meter. Now the rate is given in per meter square. So what will get from this cost and rate? Cost का formula क्या होगा? Rate into area, or we can find area also, that is cost upon rate. Okay, so cost is ₹20,000 divided by 12.50. Again you will do the calculation. 20,000 ये आपका कट हुआ, so 20,000 into 10 divided by 125, you will get the area 1600 meter square. Area आपका आ गया 1600 meter square. Now length is also given to you, so you have to find the breadth of the plot. First part आपका आ गया. Second part you have to find breadth. Area is given to you. Area का formula क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Area you have just find out, that is 1600. Length is given to you 50 meter into breadth. So what will be breadth? 1600 upon 50. Do the cutting. 5 3s and 5 2s. So breadth is equals to 32 meter. Now length is given to you, breadth you have find it. What is the third part which you have to find? Perimeter. Perimeter of plot, which means rectangular plot. 2L plus B. 2 length is given 50, breadth is 32. So it will be 2 into 82. That is equals to 164 meter. So whenever the cost and rate is given, first you have to check it in what terms the rate is given. If it is given in per meter square, you can find the area. If it is given in per meter, you will find the perimeter. And further, you have to apply the formulas for finding the breadth and perimeter. So for today, only 3 questions are there, 9, 10 and 11. And you have to complete it till here. Okay, thank you.